we're dedicated to inspiring lifelong learning through interactive and innovative experiences.
We have a lot of first-generation college students, and we're empowering them for the future.
We really work on bringing the community together, from youth development to Stratford's busiest food pantry, where we serve about 5,000 people a year.
Every organization has an impact, does great stuff, and it's our job to help them succeed.
I love to see organized groups going out to help these nonprofits. It's helping them and hearing their success stories, which is awesome.
It really just comes down to helping people, managing those relationships, and making sure that they're connecting with our company and that we're providing the resources that we can.
The company is not just a bill every month. We're your neighbors working to improve the quality of life in our service territory.
This grant's going to enable us to replace over 1,000 light bulbs in both exhibits that the public visits and also in our office spaces.
This will help us with energy efficiency at UB. UB is a very large campus, so there's a lot of, from classrooms to dorms. There's a lot of stuff, we're a 100-year-old school, so there's a lot of stuff that constantly needs to be updated.
A grant like the Neighborhood Assistance Act funding is huge for us. Our headquarters, at least, was built in the 1880s. So as anyone who owns an old house will know, there are a lot of ways that we can improve the energy efficiency of the building, and in so doing, make our operations more efficient as well, kind of save some on our costs and be able to deliver more impact to the community.